everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to watch movies for free step by step, and the best part is, it's completely legal and safe. First, go to Google and search for 123 movies. Click on one of the official websites from the search results. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type the movie you want to watch. Now choose the movie from the results. If any pop-ups appear, just close them and stick to the main player. You'll usually see details like the release year, genre, and ratings. Click on the movie, press play, and enjoy. Most of these platforms include subtitles, and some even let you change quality settings. That's it. Super simple and safe. If this helped, like and subscribe for more guides like this.